Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove Active Now on Instagram account, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove the Active Now from your Instagram account, first open up the Instagram app. From over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on that, and again over here at the top right corner of the screen tap on the three lined icon, and over here guys you'll be required to scroll down till you can find the messages and story replies. Tap on messages and story replies, and over here guys you can see where it says that you can see your online. Tap on show activity status, and you can see there it says show your active status. Tap on it and it will be turned off. By this way guys, the Active Now button on your account will be removed if, or even if you're online. And this is how to remove Active Now in Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.